Evening everyone, welcome to Lee and Toon's channel on the farm, night time. Second night here on the bounce, and al fresco kebab. So it's just sorting the barbie out, and if you look behind, what is that? We have power.
Yeah.
So no more sleeping on the plasterboards tonight. We've got something very, very posh. Come this way. Luxury. Sheer luxury. A single bed for two. Check out the ventilation, beautiful. If that's not enough, we've even got a fan. So, can be a lot of people very jealous out there, I know that. And the solar is working. Happy days, happy days.
That's snow on there already.
Yeah, a little bit about black slow. I might even have my beer yet. They're still chilling. Black snow from someone's burning the sugar cane off again. So the power will probably go in a minute on the solar, won't it? Solar panels will get black. Yeah, it's a busy road tonight, isn't it?
The sugar cane thing, isn't it?
Backwards tractors coming, is it? I think it is. Yeah. Check this machine out that they use for picking up the cut sugar cane. What they've done is get a tractor and turn it round, and then put a big claw on the back, which is now the front. Oh, it just stopped. Here it goes. Yeah, it is. Here it is. This driver normally doesn't use his brakes.
I need tomato.
Okay. Check it out. Hey? Shouldn't do it. He's famous on YouTube now, isn't he?
Yeah, but we don't know what you do. Tomato, please.
Yes, dear. Mozzie lotion's on. Mozzie plants are out. Got kettle, coffee and sugar and creamer ready for the morning. Right. Catch you later. Another day on the farm and good progress again. Today in particular is groundbreaking. You'll see what I did there in a second. Get your peepers on this. That's right, kiddies. It's poo tank day. So we've got 3 septic tanks to dig. And the digger man is the same guy who dug our pond the back of our house in the village. It's a little bit further away the house than you'd normally have because there's some tree stumps there. So we'll see how we get on. I think it's about 4 of these tanks going to be sunk into the ground. Toon did suggest that we'd dig that ourselves. Had I overruled her on that one. There's the foreman. Gotta love a digger, haven't you? Anyway, not only, but also more progression. The prison is taking shape. I mean, Toon's kitchen. The plasterboard is disappearing. The reason being, up the stairs, we have what is known in the trade as a ceiling. It is so cool in here. I know we've got the door open at the moment, well, the doorway open, but that'll be the case when we're in here anyway. Same with the windows, because we'll have mosquito nets everywhere, so there's a good flow through of air. And my space blanket is definitely helping. It's all going rather well. Big progress.
I'm gonna shopping today. Get
Shopping?
Get chicken kebab.
Yeah, I don't want rat kebab on there.
Pork kebab. Oh, rat kebab is tasty.
Yeah, I know Scene likes them. Scene's a New Zealander that likes to watch the channel. Oh, that's it then. Time for a second coffee. We haven't done anything.
And not eat slab, and not eat snail.
No, we're not having snails. Filthy French have them, don't
Got
they?
enough food down here. Terrible eat slab. Yeah.
I fancy a cashew, but I don't think there's
Sunshine.
any
now.
ready on that.
Sunshine now.
That is beautiful.
What happened?
What?
I saw it's up there. I saw come up there and down. Oh.
Well, that's even better for the solar over there, isn't it? That's where his pointy thing said it's the best place to put them. Oh, and Toon's let off the hook with the little solar panels that we've inherited on the farm. The solar man's going to check those out and make sure that the panel's still working. And then, I don't know whether he's got an inverter, converter, whatever you need. We might buy one off him if he's got one. If not, should be able to tell us where we can get one from and then a battery.
It can fix that. It can fix that. We can buy some battery and give to the monk. It's really enough for that.
Is it? A battery and an inverter?
Yeah, but that work.
Hmm.
He said that work. Only put something out in there. But battery quite expensive to give monk early.
If you're going to get a car battery, what did it cost for the Nissan?
3,000.
And that was with trading in the old battery.
Not enough for TV or fan or anything.
I think better wait till we do the envelopes for them.